Say go!
I'd like to report on the book Alice in Wonderland, the story of the Alice adventure. Alice or her sister was reading a story to Alice. Then Alice ran over had rabbit, and Alice followed rabbit. Then Alice go to Wonderland. Alice followed rabbit, but her body is so big and she don't go out. Then she see a juice and she drink it. So she is small. She go out, there is a lake. Alice walk and walk. Alice arrived at Redkin's castle. At the place, Redkin says, "If you win me, I send you at home." But Alice is lost. Then she wake up and she go home. Alice is wonderful. I want to go to Wonderland. I love this book.